Bellamy Excavating. We do excavating work all around Knoxville and the surrounding areas, and we've been in business. Next year will be 20 years. I graduated from Tennessee Tech with a civil engineering degree and didn't want to go into design work. I wanted to be out in the field, and I enjoyed being around equipment. I love being outside. When I was little, my mom and dad wouldn't let me play in the mud. Now I get paid to. So it's a good setup. It's been a good setup for 20 years. And the group of guys that we surround ourselves with. My superintendent, Chris Brown, hands down the best thing that's ever happened. And he's all the time on top of everything. And Chris Beeler, who also works for me, has also been a right hand to me. So with Chris Brown and Chris Beeler, it's made my life a lot easier. We've recently got into using GPS. We were old school for the longest time, and it took a while for you to get me adjusted to that side, but we gave in, and I wished I'd have done that years ago. Things have gone so much faster and more efficient, and the quality, you're moving the dirt once, and when you get done with the cuts with the GPS, you're on great. Before, we would have a surveyor come out and he would stake for us the job. Well, a lot of times the stakes would get knocked out and you'd have to call him back to re-stake again. But most of all, the problem is people being able today to be able to see the job. And they couldn't see from grade stakes how to really grade it efficiently. So now the GPS takes that thought process out of it, and it basically allows you to take somebody that maybe does not understand fully what the job site looks like, and the GPS will help perform that for him. Since 2005, we basically have been committed with Komatsu. We have just recently purchased a D61 Dozer, and that has been a great asset to add to the fleet. The models that we've just now started utilizing more with Komatsu, Maria Henry helps me out tremendously all the time. She is good about me calling, sending her a CAD file and PDFs of the site. We're able to turn around and turn that into a model and then plug that into the GPS systems and build the jobs from it. The service and the maintenance that Power Equipment provide for us, and the accessibility to everything that they allow for us, has just been bar none. Ever since 2005, they have been a great resource for me. They've been a great sense of support, and honestly, I don't know that I would have been as successful without them.